Cancer is the deadliest disease of our time, and everybody is exposed to the risk of getting this illness. Nobody is safe. For the cancer cells to grow, they need acidic environment, so the acidity level in our body needs to be low, so they can't form and develop. The potential hydrogen, or commonly known as pH values, range from 0 and goes up to 14. The neutral value of the pH level is 7. Everything under 7 is considered acidic, and anything over 7 is considered basic. The German Nobel Prize winning doctor revealed the real reason for cancer in 1931. According to him, in 95% of the cases the cancer appears as a result of elevated acidity in the organism. The alkalinity in the body needs to be slightly over 7. He proved that cancer cells can't grow if the pH level in the body is 7.36 or higher. He revealed that the acidity is the main reason why tumors grow. This condition in the body is also responsible for other illnesses including osteoporosis, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. The pH level in the organism depends on the substances that we consume. Water is essential for our existence. The faucet water that we consume every day contains a lot of harmful elements such as antitoxins, different types of metal, chlorine, and hormones which affect the pH levels in the body immediately after drinking it. Entering all these elements into the body elevates the acidity levels, and when that happens you can gain weight and experience digestive problems, fatigue, low vitality, and other problems. You can keep the pH levels balanced by drinking pure water and consuming vegetables that are completely natural. That way you will keep the acidity levels within the framework values and lower the risk of developing different health issues. Here is how to make soluble water drink that can help you lower the acidity levels in the body. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1/4 of ginger root, 1/2 a cucumber, 1/2 a measure mint clears out. Preparation: first of all, peel the ginger root. Cut all the ingredients and mix them all together. At the end add water. You can drink this drink for 3 days just adding water to the same ingredients. Take the drink every morning. This drink has powerful disinfectant and antibacterial properties, and it's great for treating different medical disorders. The lemon is one of the greatest ingredients for treating a lot of issues, and contains up to 22 properties that help stopping the cancer cells growth because it makes the body alkali. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our next video.